Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best suitcases under $50 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the American Tourister Sunset Cruise. The Sunset Cruise is a pretty good suitcase. It's from American Tourister, whose parent company is Samsonite. Therefore, it's actually pretty good quality, especially for the price. As of right now, only the apple green and pink berry colors are under $50. That's actually a really good deal since the original price of this suitcase is some $80. This suitcase is made from ABS plastic, which is lightweight and has good scratch resistance. It might not be as durable as a polycarbonate suitcase, but that's something you need to worry about with checked baggage. And since this is a small, 20 inches suitcase, I don't think you will ever have to check it at an airport. Additionally, the capacity of this suitcase is expandable by 1.5 inches. So, you can even do a little shopping while you're away, without worrying that it won't fit in your luggage. The Sunset Cruise hardside is equipped with single spinner wheels and a telescopic wheel handle. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a lock, and that's pretty much the only downside to it. But if you're looking to get a carry-on, a lock is not something you need to be too concerned with. The interior is divided into 2 packing compartments. One of them features a full-sized zippered divider, while the other one has elastic cross straps. And there's also a small zippered pocket in the bottom compartment. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Olympia Apache Ii 21 inches. The Apache suitcase is available in 6 different colors, and all of them are currently under $50. Which is pretty amazing, considering that they are discounted from $150. One thing that's great about this suitcase, and Olympia luggage in general, is that it features a hidden zippered compartment. This is Olympia's patent, so you won't really see it on other suitcases. The compartment is great for the valuable items that you want to keep safe and protected at all times. The exterior of this suitcase is made from 100% ABS plastic, so it's pretty sturdy. There are 4 single spinner wheels on this luggage, which rolls smoothly and quietly. And the telescopic wheel handle, which is made from aluminum, will make moving around with the Apache a breeze. The interior of this suitcase features 2 fully lined packing compartments with expandable capacity. The bottom compartment has 2 elastic cross straps and a small zippered pocket, while the top compartment features shoe pockets and a divider with a large mesh pocket. Those, in addition to the hidden compartment, make this suitcase a great choice for people who like to travel organized. By the way, this brand has a few more affordable suitcases in their range, and you can check them out in our detailed review of Olympia luggage. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Vienna luggage. The Vienna suitcase is an amazing option if you like to be organized. The red version is under $51, which is a pretty good deal considering just how good this suitcase is. Its scratch-resistant exterior has faux leather accents, which actually makes this suitcase look more expensive than it is. This is actually one of the few suitcases that features double spinner wheels. I prefer these to single spinner wheels because they are a bit more stable, and just give you better maneuverability of your luggage. The telescopic wheel handle also helps with that, as it locks into an extended position. There are also 2 grab handles that are riveted onto the suitcase, so they can handle quite a lot of weight. The top compartment features a full panel zippered divider, with 2 mesh pockets on it. In the bottom compartment, you have elastic cross straps and a small zippered pocket, which is perfect for any small items you don't want to misplace. And this suitcase has an expandable capacity, so you'll be able to fit quite a lot of stuff inside it. Asterisk note: most Amazon Basics suitcases are under $50. If you want to see some more options, check out our detailed review on Amazon Basics luggage. At number 2, we have the Travelers Club Luggage Chicago. The Chicago suitcase is one of the most affordable options in this review. It's under $40, with only one color being $5 more expensive. For the money, it's a pretty excellent piece of luggage. The shell is made from ABS plastic, which has great scratch resistance. And it's rather lightweight, at only 5.6 pounds. But what I really like about this suitcase is that the corners of the shell are reinforced, which significantly increases its durability and impact resistance. The Chicago features 4 single spinner wheels and a telescopic wheel handle that locks into an extended position. Some pretty standard features, which you expect from any hard side, regardless of the price tag. There are also grab handles on the top and the side, and they are pretty sturdy and comfortable. The interior of this suitcase is also pretty standard. It's divided into 2 packing compartments with expandable capacity, both of which are fully lined. The top compartment has a full panel zippered divider, no pockets, and the bottom compartment features elastic cross straps with a single zippered pocket. And finally at number 1, we have the Kenneth Cole Reaction High-Lite. This suitcase is definitely not a great fit for everyone because it only comes in bright neon colors. But if you like to be different and stand out at crowded airports, then this is an awesome option for you. The exterior of the High-Lite is made from ABS plastic, which is textured for improved scratch resistance. And it features a very simple brand tag on the front, which contrasts nicely with the bright neon color of the shell. What I really like about this luggage is that they also put that pop of color inside the suitcase. Both packing compartments are fully lined, and all the accents inside them match the color of the shell. And the interior also features 2 pockets, one inside the bottom compartment and one on the zippered divider in the top compartment. The bottom compartment is also equipped with elastic cross straps, which are designed to keep your belongings in place. Unfortunately, the capacity of this suitcase is not expandable. So, you will need to be thoughtful when packing, as you don't have the option to get more space if you need it. And there are no locks on the High-Lite, but I don't think that's too big a deal. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.